Hello friends, this is Angingfi Vlog. Today I'm going to sing somehow because it's been a while. The famous song of Coretha. The title of the song is Oras Na. I find this song very interesting, especially to the people who wanted to change, wanted to move on, wanted to let go of what they have inside. And the thing is, there's a part of this song that says, ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. So, our fear is only in our minds. So, I hope you find this song inspiring too. And yeah, if you know this song, please sing with me. May bulong ihip ng ating panahon, may sigaw at ubos na ang oras mo. Oras na magpasya kung saan ka pupunta. Oras na magbuka ka ng landas. Nasa isip lamang, tama na, pahangarin lang. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Kung daan titiyak at ang ulo nasa isip lamang, tama na, ang pag-alinlangan, ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Ang landas na puso mo. Oras na, magbuka ng pasya. Tayo na sa liwanag, ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Tama na, ang pag-alinlangan, ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Takot ay nasa isip lamang. Yes, ang takot daw ay nasa isip lamang. So ano bang kinatakutan natin? So let go of what we have, we feel and change because there's still time, oras na para magpasya. So, with the grace of God, everything is possible. Thank you for watching. This is Anggi Vlog.